our environment, our original scope of the original project, we knew was but a small facet of what we wanted to use the total solution for. So we know it was going to be important to have the right infrastructure in place before we ever deployed the first site with the product, so that we could build upon it. We knew that we were going to scale up to as many as 2,000, 2,200 concurrent users, 150 sites, and making sure that we could meet our deliverables as far as pushing the prescription orders from the nursing home to our order entry technicians to the pharmacists in a relatively short amount of time. I mean, within 1 to 2 minutes, we need to get that fax to the pharmacy, to the order entry technician. Within seconds, when they're done with the image, we need to push that image to the pharmacist for review. And then to make that image available to anyone else that may need to review it or call it up for questions or audits or whatever purposes it might be. The orders that come into our pharmacy typically need to get an order or prescription produced through our dispensing system and out to the nursing home within 4 hours upon a new admission. Refills aren't near as critical, but those new orders, the new patients that are admitted, even in some states there's a required state regulation that we must have medications out there within 4 hours. As far as faxes, we last month, March 2010, we pulled in 4.7 million pages, 4 million images of faxes. We had about 1,600 concurrent users on any single given day. So we anticipate that maybe 20 to 25% of what we want to use the application for, but it's certainly a very good first step. We've gone from a 3-server infrastructure with several facets of the ImageNow solution on a single server to having a 13-server infrastructure, having failover or high availability for our OSM server, for our database server, having multiple servers for our output agents, whether it be output fax. We still do some printing as is required for certain medications in many states. So we feel like, based upon the volume that we have today, we're not pushing the Windows side of the solution very hard at all, 25, 30%. So we feel like there's growth capability there. What we have learned throughout the course of the last couple of years is how to tweak and manage the ImageNow solution so that we let the solution take advantage of all those resources.